Hey guys, it's Becca with another St. Minerals tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the brow butter to get lovely eyebrows like my client Danny here. So if you want to know how to do this, keep watching. This is the St. Minerals brow brush, perfection with the spoolie on one end and this thin angled bristle brush on the other side. I'm just combing through my client's brows. I just waxed her and made sure she's all cleaned up. So I'm grabbing the smallest amount of product. This really goes a long way. It's definitely called brow butter for a reason. It goes on so smoothly. I always like to fill in my client's brows a little bit after any brow service. I think it's important to really give the client perfected eyebrows and to show them how to do it at home. So not only do they leave feeling amazing, but it's a perfect opportunity to have them purchase these products and have perfect brows on their own at home. So I'm just using little hair-like strokes with the brush. I don't like to overdo it too much, and like I said, a little bit of product goes a long way. So I'm just going in the direction of the hair growth, and look at how beautiful that is. Super soft and subtle. I actually went with a lighter color on this client because I don't want her thick eyebrows to take over her face. The brow butters come in 8 universal shades, so you have no problem picking out the perfect color for your client. I also love that it's a water-resistant formula, so it helps to prevent any smudging, fading, or smearing throughout the day. And because St. Minerals is a clean makeup line, the ingredients in the brow butter actually help to condition and nourish your client's eyebrows, keeping the brow hair healthy and strong. Now you'll see I'm going back in with a little bit more product on the brush, just to show you the versatility of this product. I love that you can use it in multiple ways, going for a more natural look or amping it up and turning it into a more dramatic look if that is your vibe. Now going in with the St. Minerals Peptide Concealer. This is a beautiful concealer. It is super emollient and it's perfect for carving out the brows after a service. So I love this concealer because it is highly pigmented and it's also non-comedogenic, which means that it won't clog the pores, which is really crucial after a waxing service when the pores are so open. I love using a bit of concealer after any brow service. It can help to clean up any mistakes that you made when you were filling in the brows, and it makes the shape look extra crisp and clean. Not only is this concealer amazing for cleaning up after a brow service, it's also incredible for the under eye area. It doesn't crease or settle into any fine lines, and it's also anti-aging and helps to promote collagen production. And now you can see my client is checking out her brows. Look at how beautiful they look, and she is feeling herself. I want all of my clients to feel like this when they're leaving my salon. So filling in the brows, doing a little concealer after any brow service is a must. I feel like a lot of people think that they need to be makeup artists to do this. That's definitely not the case. These products are incredibly easy to work with. Like I said, that buttery consistency, really, really easy to blend. And your clients will be feeling ultra confident when they leave, and they will feel good knowing that you're using skin-safe, clean ingredients on them. So in my opinion, these are a must-have for all brow artists looking to make their clients' brows perfect in salon and at home.